Good afternoon, viewers and subscribers. People, they have to right about now. And we are at Hagley Park Road, 3 mile. You know? So, like and share. Tell me what you think about everything at our go on, people. The road kind of busy and now in a half a tree. Bye, man, man. Please don't push me, don't push me, don't push me, don't push me. Yes. Wow, traffic is a person now. I'm going around and say, yeah, people, because the traffic is bad. The traffic is normal, man. Must. No problem, no problem. Afternoon.
Hold on, it depends on rate, so when you see then all just park an intersection, don't block your road. Right?
No problem, no problem, no problem. Alright. Yes, so good. I'm there. Yes, sir, good?
Eh? Yeah, man, yes, sir, good.
Afternoon, officer.
Everything alright?
Yeah, man, I just carry the kids. What worry, I mean, no. Me just go collect some money and things for extra lesson and things. So, we're supposed to go to Duhaney Park, but when we go to Duhaney Park, the money can close, so we go arbitrary and things. So, we just come arbitrary and just with the kids then, and I go home back.
See that?
No problem, man, no problem. No, Gabby, stay in the man, I'm going to get the poison document and anything, man. Now you come with me, so then.
Hello. Where are you crying? Daddy now go nowhere. Daddy they right just with me. Erin soon come back in my car.
What is the return? Alright, no problem. I'm looking at something. I understand this. Come, baby. You want to come?
Yeah, me too.
trouble here, bro. So you see, you know, so me I tell you. You understand? You wanna run it, please? Yeah, fitness, insurance, right?
Talk to me. Okay, never pay Monday I come.
Alright.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Oh, you have to pay something?
No, man, no. They might tell me something when I have to. Some ever does.
We must come Monday after pay.
Yeah, they- Let me tell you what happened a while ago. I'm starting to do a spot check. You understand me? License, everything at all. So I don't have nothing for my license. I don't have nothing for my license. So what happen now when we pay that money regarding grace period now? Alright, see the what is story? Bag. Put it on bag, girl. You give me number. I'll tell you what I'm not doing. You see that sticker there, so? I should have a paper feet for sure, so I pay it. So I'm not a paper show it. So I'm going to go Monday and one thing, I'm going to go Monday and pay it. I'm supposed to keep my receipt with me. I have something for sure, so I'm pay it. What's the issue with that? Yeah, man, I got you. No, man, no. Is that me still wanted to say, but there in the tour and you say register there though. Maybe the receipt there. You understand? Me never have that nervous tour, man. But you see, it good and bad when police stop, you know. You learn enough things. You stop, you learn enough things. Because everybody knows 75 that. But them say you still have grace period because I'm running the license. If you run the license and not you see put this in my bag. You see how they put this in my bag, you see how the warrant and thing with the about and thing that they get arrested in idea. That they go to prison. No, that they go to prison. You see what money I get? I have to take what money I probably give them.
What do you mean by that?
And now listening to Torian. You see they have some outstanding ticket and they pay. And they become a warrant. Warrant means say if police get on the road, they might carry go in.
So when you want print?
Push on your knob, Gabby.
So when you print?
And now this thing will pay it already. If you know they pay it, they probably handcuff your father and carry him go to the station and go pay the money right now, not the evening. And like I said, later and thing, I preach the go for the until tomorrow. And if you have the money. Yeah man, they will run the license and say, they will handcuff, they will lock me up. You hear that Torian? See I say? So we could have it about the place at Torian. They call it registration. I'm not for registration.
License and registration, please. This is the police license and
That's a love drive. That's a love drive with Uno, you know. See it? That's a love drive with Uno. If them stop me and talk to me, I show me today with Uno and thing. If I me there by myself and thing, probably they want give me a warm time. You see a fat boy dance beach with him face though?
Hold on.
Ah, man, on my phone there. Jesus, please.
Hold on, sir. Which fat boy that?
Ah,
Which fat boy that?
yeah, people, police stop me. Eh? Which fat boy that? The one that you try to, remember the fat boy who just pass a even time, pass a man time and the TikTok dance and he go, whoop, because of, yeah, in beat him face. I say, yo, that little boy no sense. So pigeon up I said,
What
for the cop.
already?
Beat him face to her.
So I'm white now?
No, Nobody up blown. Digital in face. Yes, guys, ready to go on the road now?
That one child will be like,
Yeah, man, she a star girl.
but them picking up for the two girls.
Yeah, them go on one school so the kids have done, that's what them drive. And it's not guys them done. Somebody don't want to wear nothing. Them go the school name. And two, that is what they're not wrong here. Them just do a random stop. Okay? And guess again to run. You not have to do not have a police stop here. Okay, Gabby? You don't have to do nothing at all for police stop you. Police want to stop him, stop you. And check your papers them, okay? You hear me say? So yeah man, but you see if him stop you at speed now, if him catch you at speed now, you're in trouble, you know. I'll tell you stop you don't stop you in trouble.
Hey, what just?
And if you broke the stop every time see you don't stop you and get ticket.
Yeah, that's it. What you take for now where's that? And the police like they stopping people and then you like your book is and then you drive very fast and then police see them stopping you go stopping people.
Well you're in a problem. You might chase it down, if you chase and catch you in a problem. You might go down and beat you, just go down and hold on fire, you might do that. When you hold on fire, you might do it like dog. Not all the talking, you might do it to you. You might probably take away your beat and beat you. Yeah man. Just them I say as something of career kind thing I'm never get to do it for the kids them. So you need them to run. So you need them to run. You know what I'm saying? He said I stick on the vehicle. We have until the 31st to keep it on. We're going to get a new one now. You know what I mean? We're going to get a new one. A new sticker. Because it expires. So you pay 6,000 per 6 every 6 months you pay 6,000. For the year you pay 12,000.
And pay for the year then?
No, we can't afford 12,000 to earn. We cannot afford 12,000. So I'm going to go school to earn and daddy if nobody. Next week now, we're going to pay for extra money for you and for Gabby. Talk truth. So we get money for do all that to earn. If you know me to earn, yeah? One day she went to Queens, and one day she got Queens with her. One day she went to Queens with her teacher them. Because she knew she didn't go to Queens, so she went back to Queens and they were videoing it. It's on Instagram and TikTok. The officer were nice.
How about them do them should give them money?
Well, I don't know, but she might, but she just gonna feel us bring back memories and things. Like a Spice went to St. Catherine High School now. Just,
Went to go visit her teacher?
yeah. I should have cried. Why are the my out?
That's what I did?
Eat that man. You're wrangling and dog.
What did you say?
She was crying. Because she remember when she never have nothing at all. She was hungry. And I think her house is burned down. Spice house is burned down. And she never have nothing at all. And life was very rough for her. And some teacher helped her out and things. So when she remember what happened to her, she started crying.
So all of your teachers still so long?
Who Spice?
Yeah,
No, well, my mind not to run. My mind so Sharon there at school so long. If I went Sharon, if I'm 1999 to run Sharon there at school long. When me a little boy and Sharon go to school to Sharon now. What do you know Sharon don't want to clean the school? Torian. So Roddy, I'm telling you for the one. I'm telling you for do. Build a band with Gabby. Okay? You have to tell the Teddy but the Teddy got a phone. If she got a phone, deal with Gabby. she a cuss and go on and stop the money to listen to me that, you know. There's a bunny Gabby. I say I pay school every time with her. Call her and hug her and go on, Gabby, alright, baby? You know what I'm saying? I can tell if she alright also. But Ted in a different state of mind. Ted I go through stress. I don't know what stress her out so. She take up things now. She take up things that she can't manage. Run! Run, God away there. She take up things that she can't manage. Police them stop me. So I wonder why I'm daddy I get ticket now. Daddy I get ticket. Daddy I think about to run?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So I pay the money the Monday. I pay the Monday. Tuesday, one time there. I just pay the registration fee there. I just push it with paper. We have the receipt, man. But you shouldn't ask for that tour, and if you have the paper, let me see you don't pay. So how you forget that? Oh, that thing a band over there you got through. Oh, yeah, band over there in the tour. You get 16,000 or one thing, you know, 16,000 if you do everything at all until next week. Oh, I'm bearing this in mind too. It's not every vehicle I go stop. It's not every vehicle is going to put it away. It's not every vehicle is going to be stopped. Some vehicles I just get away and go away. You understand me? So all these time I drive and the police now stop me and thing. Them finally stop me now though. A second time police stop me now. Then we stop. What? We've got to say it to run. Police stop. No. They was going to Sunday guy was going to Reddy's Road. And we're going to close the price sign. Police stop we and people in the vehicle. I'll power with. Then tell you when I back there sleep. Toriana. This is called a motor vehicle. It can break down at any time, Toriana. This is you might try start it. It's not starting. Hope it start. This is vehicle Toriana. I know your brain is young and thing, but you know you can't think like that. This is vehicle Toriana, man-made. It can stop work at any given time. Okay? Okay, baby? Yeah, man. It can stop work at any given time. Anybody vehicle can stop work, right?
I know you ain't lost, I can't be a baby. La da dee da da. La da dee da da, oh my baby. It has to be classes, I'm a chance baby. I know you ain't lost, I can't be the baby. La da dee da da. La da dee da da, oh my baby. It has to be classes, I'm a. I know you ain't Louis, so I can't.
I'm going to tell you some damn thing. Just in case I need danger, if you're somebody try to rob you, what you do? Sink your gas. And somebody come in front of you with a gun, and just, no, not a gun, or a knife or something to rob you, have to hurt you. Sink your gas and drive. Yeah, man, don't nobody come work while they might hurt you. Man, Torian. I'm done spend. Get more change. I'm going to start spending. But I said bills down. Thank you very much. I must tell you thanks. You shouldn't tell me it. I must tell you thanks. Because you take time that you want.
So why are you giving more money for?
Because I appreciate what you do, Torian. I appreciate. Give me a thumbs up. So wait, you think I trick you and tell you money to get?
Yeah.
But you still give me you never argue. That's what I respect about you never argue. So that's I risk. Why do you go and get more? I respect that you never argue. I said, to get together. You never argue and say, Daddy, what you say? What you say, Daddy, you treat me again, you give me money and this and that and that. You know your frustration, but it's when Daddy have money, Daddy give money. Daddy the act that Daddy can't. I'm van close to you, see that? Hello, say hello there.
Hello to what?
I'm doing some doing back.
I'm going to buy. This team I'm going to buy. Gumball.
See the money.
Hold on. Who are you? I'm you. No, you are me. I'm you.
I'm asking question, Duhaney. I'm asking question, I'm a daughter, but if me treat you bad, alright, let me say treat you bad in mean terms. For example now, you come from school, let me get you got it taken. You know, is every time you treat you good, you must talk about it, you want to yeah? So. But right now I work. Oh, right, I work. So tell them. Unnecessary. Turn. You know what unnecessary spending now? Things you don't want to buy. I never understand. You never understand.
And that was saying you to some
Yeah, see, okay now? Oh, it's me doing it. We don't know, see ya, in the dryer. I'm gonna buy donut. And then, put in your pocket. And put your money below the window. Put in your pocket and stop. See them what be me that waiting about 10 regarding sometime as in oh you see me deal there. Me deal like a stepdaughter and own daughter. So why sometimes she make look like say me's a bad person. Why she want me but me not be a bad person to her. Sometimes she get mad at me, I fight her after, me not fight her after. I get into the way after the bucket. Me not fight her after. You see, if I get ignorant, me control myself. See me? If you have a different family, but me not fight Tajani. I love the world I want to know. Where you work from grade, it's when grade 3?
From grade 4?
No, yeah, from grade 4 to grade 6. I not talk about 1, 2 and 3. You never did top of the class until you reach.
I never top of the class until grade 1. On grade 4 and 5, me have build up back.
Relax. I want to know him face though. Like a real madman. Stop that now. Stop that now. Stop back like that. So you sit there in my grass and for you, man.
So we have to go eat. So the water is clean. The water is fine. Can I go here?
Yeah.
This is added mineral.
Yeah. So I ask them to let's ask them please. Don't be aggressive back with that. Can get some peace, guys. Guys, and get some peace. And what you do to her, you keep on talk to her. If she know you ask her again, so can you have some please? Please. She eat that at the end.
That was the worst school ever.
There's no worse school. It keeps them in the school worse. Like I said, there's no worse school to and it keeps them in the school worse. It keeps them determined in the school. You can't person pass your low school and come out to be a doctor and nurse. You have no person right to pass your low school and come and become a doctor and nurse.
That's me.
Sure, you're going to low school to That's the top school, top primary school. What about to
Is a top primary school?
Yes, all the while. We're not going to follow now.
I see an American school now. No, I see a school. When we are a school, they know.
Them where?
Them wear a white plain uniform, like a white shirt, a white thick shirt like them, yeah? With a collar with a button like them, something but not thin. And then we have a skirt to reach right or so. It look like Jordan PE skirt, but it's sucking. You know them sucking skirt there? And that, yo, if we get a chance, we want to go to school.
Yeah, go and give me a ticket. Buy a ticket on the channel. Buy a ticket and keep on trying to. Keep on trying to tour it. It's so you, man.